afternoon. We are here for our second story time in Hawaii with Tutu Bernie. What is this story about? What kind of animal is this? Huh?
A frog.
A frog. Let's find out about this frog.
Wait, no.
Where do frogs live? Where do
In
they
the
live?
pond.
In the pond or in the water? And how do they get around? How do they swim? What do they use? Their legs. Their legs look like flippers.
And they can jump.
They can jump?
Yeah.
I'm a wide-mouthed frog and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog, shooting out his long, sticky tongue. Oh, I love to catch them flies, said the loud-mouthed frog.
Ew.
As he hopped along, he met a blue feathered bird. I'm a wide-mouthed frog. I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat? I eat wiggly worms and slugs, replied the bird, snapping his pointy beak. Snap, snap,
Ow.
snap.
Ew.
I love to eat bugs.
Ew. Ew.
Next, the wide-mouthed frog met a furry brown mouse. I'm a wide-mouthed frog and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, mouse? I eat crunchy seeds and juicy berries, replied the mouse, wiggling her whiskers.
Ew. 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 Ew.
The wide-mouthed frog was still catching flies when he saw a big green alligator. I'm a wide-mouthed frog and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog.
Wow.
Okay, sit down, please.
How would that?
What do you eat, alligator? I eat delicious wide-mouthed frog, replied the alligator, showing his sharp white teeth. Chomp, 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 chomp. Oh no, the frog got scared. The wide-mouthed frog stopped catching flies and gulped. Then he plucked his lips and made his mouth as small as possible. Oh, you don't see many of them around, do you? He said, and he leaped into the pond with a giant splash. Whoop!
Whoa.
Whoop! Whoop! And
wood.
he went down to the bottom of the pond and hid under a rock. Why? Because he was trying to hide from who?
People.
No. The alligator who was trying to have him for lunch. And that's the end of this silly tale of the loud-mouthed frog. This story time is all pow. Underneath the yellow ohia tree. Aloha!
Say aloha, you guys say aloha.
Aloha.
Yeah.
Cheese.